Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I would love to share with you how this 3-in-1 wireless charger really helped us out during our trip.
I'm really loving this charger for many reasons. First of all, 3-in-1. You cannot beat this. Whenever you're traveling, you don't have to carry a bunch of chargers, which makes it super practical for me. Everything looks super tidy too when you're charging your 3 items, your watch, your AirPods, and your phone. You can either choose to charge it flat, or you can even convert it as a little triangle, and it even serves as a stand. So you can be watching your videos or reading your messages while it's charging. Once it's charged, you just take all the items off the charger. It's super easy to fold. You can either choose to bring this in your purse, in your backpack. In this case, my husband just put it on his pockets. I want you to see how practical and not bulky this is.
This wireless charger is so versatile and unique. We highly recommend it. We are loving it, and that is just my point of view.